we're gonna be making slime. It's actually gonna be glow in the dark. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that bell. To make the glow-in-the-dark slime, we're going to be using this glow-in-the-dark kit. It's really cool. It comes with everything you need, but it doesn't have the bowls. So now we're going to be using these two bowls, which are very big, not too big for like a big container. In these we're going to be making a yellow slime and a blue slime. Now, I'm going to just put these in each bowl, whatever I'm doing. And then, these are stuff that we're going to be using. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of this. Now, we're going to be making some slime. First, I'm going to start with the blue slime. I'm going to put this container right over to the side. Get what I'm going to use first. So if you wanted the slime to come out faster, I'd rather use the bottom. But if you wanted it to come out slower, just use the top. I'll use that one right now. Make sure you squeeze. think we have glow and dark slime. So now that we have our first glow in the dark blue slime, which actually works, but was a little bit sticky when you were kneading, we're gonna make our second one. Oh, and also you can stay out down, upside down for a little while. Now we're going to be making the yellow slime. At first, we already did the blue slime, so you know exactly what we're doing for this yellow slime.
6.5 hours later.
This was the oldest, so I'm just gonna get the new one. Let's keep on mixing. Mixing. Actually, looks like it's gonna turn into slime really quick. But you do need extra 2 tablespoons because this is just glue. Slime.
Thousand years later.
This is a sticky process if you know. So if you didn't want to get your hands sticky, I'm sorry. Which is really cool. You could try this at home. And this we're gonna make a big fluffy slime. Now we're gonna turn on back the lights, and as you can see, it was a glow in the dark slime. So it was successful. I get this big slime, don't you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that bell. See you guys next time.